Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the temperature test on the Oneplus Nord 2 device while playing YouTube videos. Yes friends, I'm getting plenty of messages regarding the heating problems in the Oneplus Nord 2 while playing the YouTube videos as well. So that's what I'm going to exactly test in this demonstration. Let's see, while playing YouTube videos, is there any kind of heating problems in the Oneplus Nord 2 or not? So right now the phone doesn't have much kind of higher temperatures in the beginning. As you can see, it's only kind of 32 degrees only, that's it. My room temperature is 30, 31 and 30, that's it. And my phone temperature is close to 32, exactly as my room temperature. So this is the correct situation to test the YouTube. I'll try to play the YouTube for about 30 minutes of time. Yes, only for 30 minutes I'll try to play. And during this time, I'll be connected to the Wi-Fi connection. I'll connect to the Wi-Fi and I'll keep the brightness also slightly, maybe close to not 100%. Maybe 70% brightness, so that should be kind of good, because some of the users did ask me to choose the brightness 100%, but I'll try to choose 70. Let's see, using the 70% brightness, I'll try to connect the earphones during this processor demonstration. And during this process, I'll try to play with the 1080. Yes, 1080 resolution I'm trying to play. So this, I'll try to play my own playlist, which is a Oneplus Nord 2 playlist continuously I'm trying to play. Let me just start the stopwatch. So right now the stopwatch has been begun, and for 30 minutes I'll try to play continuously this one single playlist, which is a Oneplus Nord 2 playlist. Let's see how much higher the temperatures can actually increase during this process of demonstration. That is what I'm going to exactly check. So right now the temperatures start to increase little by little. It's kind of 33 degrees right now at this moment, as you can see, 33 degrees. So this is a test playing 1080 at 30 minutes, and right now the battery percentage is kind of close to 21%. If you want, you can take a look at the battery percentage as well, how much it may decrease in the 30 minutes as a sample test. But this video I'll try to focus only on the temperatures, not on the battery. No, only on the temperatures, how much temperature the phone is actually increasing. The volume of the phone, I think right now it's at kind of close to 50, so that should be kind of also perfect situation. So again, I'll be back exactly after 30 minutes, so close to kind of 30 minutes. Till then we'll try to observe how is the temperature maintaining in this phone. So let's see how much temperature the phone can actually go. So in case if you want me to do with the 4G data test, I can use the 4G SIM and I can definitely do that, but let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts. So again, I'll be back after 30 minutes. As you can see friends, right now we're getting close to exactly 30 minutes of non-stop playing the YouTube in this Oneplus Nord device. Let me try to exactly check the temperatures, how much it is. So right now the temperatures are like about close to 33 degrees. As you can see, 33.4, 33.2, that's it. It did not increase much the temperature in terms of the Oneplus Nord 2. I did not see any kind of difference at all. As you can see, 33.4. And my room temperature is pretty low. It's only 31. It's around 30 and 31. That's it. Nothing much difference, as you can see, friends. So maybe using the mobile data, it might get high temperatures. But these are tests using only the Wi-Fi connection. Only using Wi-Fi connection and 70% brightness only during this time of demonstration. As you can see, 30 minutes I did play the continuously YouTube, and battery drained only to I think 18%. Only 3% decreased for continuously YouTube playing. As you can see, in 30 minutes of time. So I'll try to do the complete YouTube battery draining test as well very soon, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested to watch. So I'll definitely plan maybe tomorrow that kind of battery draining test on this all the phones comparing side by side. But right now just now decreased to again 17%. But overall I did not see any kind of high temperatures during this process demonstration. That's the one thing. So thank you for watching this video friends, and that's it in the next video. I'll stay tuned for more updates. In case if you are having any other doubts on the Oneplus Nord 2, don't forget to ask me. And in case if you are experiencing the high temperatures while watching YouTube in this Oneplus Nord 2, try to explain the scenario using it full brightness, using the 4G data, or using with 4G connection, something like that. Try to explain the scenario when you are experiencing full brightness, full high temperatures. That is what I meant. See you in the next video friends. I'll then stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.